Ever found yourself standing in the middle of your living room, wishing you could just say a word and have everything respond to your needs? Well, that future is now knocking on our doors with the introduction of smart devices. These gadgets are not just about turning off lights without moving an inch. They're revolutionizing how we interact with our homes. Imagine controlling temperature, security, and entertainment all through voice commands or a simple app. And right here in Coachella Valley, amidst the desert beauty, homeowners are embracing these technologies like never before. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home devices and how they transform living spaces here in Coachella Valley. Let's start with the heart of your smart home, the living room. Elevate your audio experience with smart speakers like Amazon Echo, Apple HomePod Mini, and Google Nest Audio. And with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant integrated into our lives, controlling your living room has never been easier. But it's not just about convenience. Smart devices are also enhancing front yard security and convenience. Video doorbells offer peace of mind, allowing you to see and communicate with visitors even when you're not home. And smart locks provide keyless entry for enhanced security, making lost keys a thing of the past. In the bedroom, smart devices like the Wise Bulb optimize comfort for a better night's sleep. With the Wise Bulb, you can customize the lighting to create the perfect ambiance for relaxation. And when it comes to home security, advanced cameras like the Arlo Pro and WiseCam are revolutionizing surveillance. Whether you prioritize motion detection or night vision, there's a camera that suits your needs. Finally, smart plugs and lighting put control at your fingertips, allowing you to automate your home environment with ease. With just a tap on your smartphone, you can adjust the lighting to suit any occasion. If there's a system out there that is 100% efficient, wouldn't you want to know about it? I'm appealing today to homeowners who have air conditioner systems that are 12 to 15 years old. California is pushing, and the rest of the nation is following, for a system called a heat pump. Heat pump systems actually have 100% efficiency on heating. That means every bit of electricity it's used to produce heat is delivered to your home. The heat pumps work just like your air conditioner system, but in reverse. In the wintertime, it actually heats your home. And in the summertime, it cools your home. They're very efficient systems and they're very nice. We'd like to come out to your home, check it out for you, give you the information so you can know the difference between the traditional furnace system and the heat pump system and make a decision that's right for you and your home. So there you have it. The future of living here in Coachella Valley is smarter than ever before. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, with smart devices, comfort and convenience are just a voice command away. See you next time.